I get hundreds of emails a day. Every time a student does anything with Google Classroom, well, guess what? It goes into our email. I'm going to show you how to make them so that they bypass your inbox and go into a separate folder. So if that sounds awesome to you, and if that sounds like it's something that you need, stay tuned because we're going to get into that in a second. Hey guys, welcome back to the Math Dojo. My name is Michelle. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I'm a middle school math teacher from Los Angeles, and I create videos to make your lives easier, to help you guys. This video today is going to help you save time, help your sanity. It's going to keep you more organized, and it's just going to overall make your life easier. So if that all sounds good to you, then stick around because I am going to walk you through exactly what I am talking about, okay? Since I've been in distance learning, I have opened my email every morning. I start the day, I open my email, and I see hundreds. I have around 200 students. I get hundreds of emails a day because students are submitting work late, they're leaving private comments, they're writing a comment on the stream. Whatever it is, their emails, because every time a student does anything with Google Classroom, well, guess what? It goes into our email. And so if you are not even a teacher and you're an administrator and you have a shared class from a teacher or from multiple teachers, you are getting thousands of emails a morning, or maybe not thousands, but in the high hundreds of emails because you're getting multiple classes. You're not just getting one class. All of the classes that are shared with you, you're getting those emails. So I am going to help you make your life easier, save you some very stressful mornings, save you a lot of time because I think I spend about 10 minutes going through these emails every morning just to make sure it's not an email from a parent. So I don't want it to be an accidental me deleting something that's important that I need to respond to, because that has happened before. And usually when it's Google Classroom related items, it's all like this so-and-so submitted assignment, so-and-so commented on a thing, and I usually don't go through the email, so I delete those right away. And I go through it on Google Classroom itself. This video today is going to help you make them so that they bypass your inbox and go into a separate folder. So if that sounds awesome to you, and if that sounds like it's something that you need, let's dive into the computer right now. All right, so I am in my inbox, my Gmail inbox, and as you can see, I searched student users, so you just can't see all of my student names, but I have so many emails with, it usually has the student name here as who sent it, and then in the subject line, it'll say the name of the student submitted late, or student user, or the name of the student submitted this lesson, or whatever it may be, right? So we have some submitted lates. I just went in the student user account and just started submitting things so that I could bring these up, because usually, like I said, I had them all deleted, and so when I went to make the video, I was like, oh, I have no emails to show them an example. So yeah, but if you do click on one of them, you can see right here the domain that sends the email is at classroom.google.com. So let's keep that in mind when we are doing this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here and go to more and go all the way down to create new label. And this is going to be important later on, but I'm just going to create it that says Google Classroom. And I want it to be my main label, so I'm not going to nest it under any other label. So I'm going to just click create. And then the only reason I have student user here is because I don't want you to see all of my at google.classroom.com messages, because it has my student names in there. So I'm just using my student user account. But I'm going to type in classroom.google.com, and hit enter. And then this will now, as you can see, if I bring it all the way down so that you can see my whole list of emails, it's only showing the emails from my student user, and that has this in the subject line. So I am going to go to this arrow right here by the search. You can do this from your main inbox. When you click on an email from one of your students from Google Classroom, the domain name that it's from is at classroom.google.com. Okay, I'm not going to put anything else right now, like not has the words, not a subject, anything like that. I am just going to create this filter so that everything from at classroom.google.com will go into that Google Classroom folder. At the end of this demo, I'll show you how to do all of the subcategories if you want to do that. So this is the most important, well, the cool part, I guess. Skip the inbox is what you want to check. You want to check 3 of these boxes, but you can read these through and learn. You can do a lot. You can create a lot of different filters and just go ahead and read these through. So you want to do skip the inbox. You want to apply the label to your Google Classroom label. Okay, and then you want to mark it to, so from this morning, I've already had 33 conversations that match that I haven't deleted yet. Okay, so now I'm going to create the filter. But now if I click on Google Classroom right here, I'm not going to click on it because you see there's 27 now in there. But if I do click on it, I'm actually going to click on it and then I'm going to put the student user so that you can only see the student usernames. But I'm going to click on it. If you see here, you're in the folder label Google Classroom folder. Let's just do this so that you can see. So as you can see here, there's 33 of the emails that I haven't read yet from today that are in this Google Classroom label now. So now I am going to show you, okay, how you can create those subcategories. Okay, so same thing you're going to start with. You're going to click on this arrow from your inbox. Okay, I am just going to delete everything because they already automatically put your information out there that you want to filter based on what you've put in the search. So that's pretty cool. But I'm going to, again, put from at classroom.google.com. And now I'm going to show you how to filter them into subcategories in your Google Classroom folder. So like I said, we can have a folder that's called commented, or a folder that's called with all of your comments, a folder for all of the work that's been submitted late. So I am going to put has the words submitted late. Okay, and then I'm going to search in my Google Classroom folder. Okay, create filter. Just click OK. 19 messages match that criteria. So I need to, again, skip the inbox, apply it to all of the ones that are in my Google Classroom folder right now. And then this box is saying all of the future ones that are going to come in. Okay, apply the label, and this is where you are going to do a new label. We're going to call this label submitted late, or you can put late submissions, whatever you want. Oops. Okay, so late submissions, and then we're going to nest it under the Google Classroom folder. So this is the folder or the label's name, but this is where we're going to put all of the new filter with the late submissions, right? The submitted late ones. So I am going to create that filter. Now you can see here that I have 27 in my Google Classroom folder, but under the late submissions, I have 16. So I'm going to click on this late submissions. So now all of the student users they're all late submissions. Okay. If I didn't have this, you would see all of my other student names that had late submissions down here. But again, just for their privacy and security reasons, I won't delete that. But you guys get it. But that is how you do it, and you can submit. You can make as many subcategories as you would like to this. So we're on late submissions right now, but you can do one just for comments or just for whatever you'd like. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I can definitely answer those for you. But yeah, I hope you learned something and you're able to now feel a little bit more energized in the morning and save a few minutes of your time every morning. All right, I'll see you right now. I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video. I hope you are excited to put it into action. Rewind the video if you need to walk through step by step on how to do it again. You can go ahead and do it alongside with me. I hope that helps you save some time and get organized and just help you relax in the morning instead of seeing all of that clutter in your inbox. I'm working on something really cool. If you noticed in my last videos when I share my computer and we're like jumping into my computer, that I have a lot of Google Chrome extensions and some that are not even pinned, but I am working on a top Google Chrome extensions video of the Google Chrome extensions that I actually use. Okay, so they're not Google Chrome extensions that I've just heard about and that I want to relay to you. No. Okay, everything that I'm going to be talking about in this video is like things that I use every day and that I cannot imagine doing anything on my computer without these extensions, because trust me when I say they have saved me so much time. I'm thinking about some of them right now and I can't even imagine what I would do without them. I mean, I know what I would do. I would have tons of things open all the time, have so much memory taken up. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, join the family, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I am posting that Chrome extensions video. All right, so I hope you guys are enjoying your time and you're staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, go out there, enjoy the rest of your day, and do something great. Bye, guys. What about them Dodgers? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Had to get that out of the way because I am pumped. Okay. I'm pumped.